Hey, Kevin here, and I wanted to share some stuff that I've been receiving a bunch of questions about. How do I approach playing like a Quartet Drive type thing? So what I thought I would do was come on and show you different ways of how I approach playing like a Quartet Drive. This particular one is only like 18 seconds. I pulled it off of social media, little clip, so it's not really clear. The main track isn't really clear, but hopefully you'll get the idea, and this will answer some of your questions. I'm using Pro Tools, as you can see in my picture here, and I have like the continuous moving, so I can see the track move. I don't really need it for this, but I have it there. What I'll do is I'll label my tracks. This will be guitar one, make sure I arm it. When I arm it, I'll play my guitar to make sure that I have levels. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll play the track so I can get an idea, what am I going to do? How am I going to approach it? So here we go. Check this out. And as you can hear, you hear a guitar in the background. So what I'll probably do is just play that first as a foundational guitar track, okay? So let's arm up here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in when I hear that double hit on that snare. Kadat, boom, 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 ba-dum, ba. Okay, so let's try it. I don't have anything planned, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the track and listen to the other track and see what I can come up with, and then I'll cut something. Here we go. That's it right there. Let's do it again. Okay, so now we got two guitars. And let's do one more. What about? Let's try that one. All right, let's try this last track. You know what? I kind of like that one better than the other two. I do. So let's mute these other two and just listen to this by itself. All right. I like that one better, y'all. That has more pocket to me. Those other guitars are a little bit too picky. Let's redo guitar 2.1. Let's do that. Something real simple. Okay, let's listen to all the tracks without the backing track. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to redo track one. Guitar one. All right, because I wanted to fit the other stuff that I did. All right, let's see how that works. So I hope you guys got something out of this. Appreciate you guys listening in and watching and seeing the process. So I hope this is able to help you in some kind of way. All right, guys, thank you so much for viewing, and we'll see you in the next video.